The Thyroid Extensive test from Nutripath is a wonderful way for your practitioner to learn about what's happening with your thyroid. It doesn't just test the functional thyroid, we will also look at thyroid antibodies. The test collection days for the thyroid profile are Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. Just keep in mind if public holidays are coming up. Preparation is super simple. It's a fasted test, so fast for 8 to 10 hours overnight. Just drink some water before you do your blood collection to make sure that you do have good blood flow. And you can have your collection done at any Melbourne pathology centre. Once you've done your sample, they will need to centrifuge it and they'll give it back to you. What you'll do next is take your sample, make sure all of your paperwork is filled out, make sure your sample has the correct details on it, and you'll go into an Australia Post shop and just let your health coach know in Slack that you have sent that. This takes about 2 weeks to come back, and once those results are back, your health coach will be in touch to let you know.